Hi there, welcome to Razor Anthem, where I talk about skincare, hair care, and other self-care products. Today I will be reviewing Dear Klairs Freshly Juiced Vitamin Drop. My name is Jonathan, and like I said, I will be reviewing Dear Klairs Freshly Juiced Vitamin Drop. This is pure vitamin C and Centella Asiatica extracts with Hybrid Stabilization technology. Fancy. I do just want to say I am not a professional, I am not a dermatologist, I am just a person who has used this product. I know a little something about ingredients, so I just thought I would use the product and share my review with you. With that being said, this is not a sponsored video. I purchased this product with my own money, just wanted to clear the air. This comes in a 35 milliliter or 1.18 fluid ounce little dropper bottle, and it says the vitamin drop is a unique and effective serum formulated with pure vitamin C, stabilized Ascorbic Acid, mildly improves skin tone and texture without harsh irritation. To use it, you apply to a clean face after cleansing. I place a few drops on my hand and then rub them together, then gently massage into my face and neck. Now, I would highly suggest not letting the dropper tip actually touch your hands or your face, because then you're just putting it back into the dropper and any sort of bacteria can contaminate the bottle. Through my research, it says you can use vitamin C on your face up to every 8 hours. I don't do that. Personally, I wouldn't recommend that. Then again, I'm not a professional. I just use this once before bed, but if you are gonna use it in the morning, you can do that. However, I would highly encourage you, if not beg you, to use SPF. Put some sunscreen on your face, because vitamin C is going to be making your skin very vulnerable. I have a friend who actually used this product, then went out for a run and ended up getting sunburn on her face. Vitamin C, if you're gonna go out into the sun, your skin's gonna be sensitive, please use SPF sunscreen, please. If you want, this product can also be used as a spot treatment. If you have sensitive skin and you're a little bit nervous about using it, I will say this has a pretty low percent of vitamin C in it, which is actually a good thing, especially if you haven't really used it before. You can kind of build up a tolerance to vitamin C, especially if you have sensitive skin. You can add a couple of drops into your moisturizer if you want. If you don't want to, you can just, use a small amount and just kind of apply it on your skin. Just kind of, see how your skin reacts. But if you do have a weird reaction, again, talk to a professional. Jumping back to talking about sunlight, vitamin C, although it's good for your skin, it's very unstable, which most of the time, if you see vitamin C serums, they'll be in a little, like a amber or like a dark colored bottle to help block out the sunlight. This, however, is in a clear bottle. It does say that it has hybrid stabilization technology, which helps prevent it from any damage the sun will do. The reason that they use like darker packaging is because if you leave this out in the sun, or you leave this out in the light, or if you even leave the lid off for too long, the oxygen, the amount of sunlight that is hitting the product in the bottle, can actually change how the product will work for you. Though this says it is hybrid stabilization technology, meaning that it is more stable. Even with the top of the line vitamin C, it's still never going to be totally going to be able to last in the sunlight. So I would suggest keeping this in a cool, dark place. If you have the box that it came in, that's great. You can just put it back in the box, close the box up. Maybe don't leave it somewhere where it's going to get warm. You can even put this in the refrigerator if you want. I have a couple of friends who put theirs in the refrigerator. That's just going to help with the longevity of this product and, get your money's worth. You paid for it, so you might as well just kind of do what you can to preserve all of the great ingredients in here. This has a pH level of 3.81 and is fragrance free, which is great. I was actually surprised. It literally smells like nothing, which I've used other vitamin C serums that have a kind of metallic-y. If you know what I'm talking about and you've used other vitamin C serums, you know what I'm talking about. But this doesn't really smell like much of anything. Even when you put it on your skin, I was like, okay, Claire. I also want to note that the texture of this serum is like a dry oil, a little bit hard to describe if you haven't used it. It's kind of like rub it. I don't want to say it turns mattifying, but it's just it doesn't sit like an oil on your skin. It absorbs into your skin really quickly, and it doesn't leave like an oily residue, which I happen to like. This is a Korean or K-beauty product, which is becoming increasingly more popular here in the United States. I think it's because the Korean skincare lines kind of have more technology, they've done more research, and I believe they might have access to more ingredients than we do here in the States. I don't know if that's a fact. I read it on the internet, so it must be a fact. Am I right? That's how it works. That's how it works. I'm a millennial, what can I say? So now let's talk ingredients. I'm just gonna highlight 3 key ingredients. The first ingredient I want to talk about is ascorbic acid, or vitamin C. Vitamin C is a naturally occurring nutrient in our human bodies. It helps repair and restore tissue. When used topically, it can also brighten your skin tone. It can even out the texture of your skin, and it can help prevent fine lines and wrinkles. But like I said before, vitamin C is very unstable. Literally me. Like I said, vitamin C can change very easily depending on how much light it's exposed to, even how much oxygen it's exposed to, the temperature that it is kept at. You will notice sometimes it can kind of go bad faster if it is exposed to too much light and sun. It can actually turn like an orangey, yellowy, sometimes reddish color. But overall, vitamin C on your skin is a good thing. The next ingredient I want to talk about is Centella Asiatica Extract. This is a calming ingredient. Specifically, this is great for people who have hyper-pigmentation or like discoloration of the skin, which I have been known to have. I've got even like not just on my face, but on my arms, I have some cat scratches that really don't fade. I promise I'm nice to my cat, she's just a little bitch. It is effective in improving treatment for small wounds, some burns, and even psoriasis. It promotes the growth of collagen and tissue repair, all while improving the strength of your newly formed skin. It can also be used as a treatment on sun-damaged skin, stretch marks, dark spots, as well as cellulite. And the last ingredient I want to talk about is the Yuja fruit extract. I probably said that wrong. In its natural state, this ingredient resembles a little baby grapefruit. How cute is that? It is mostly found in Korean, Japanese, and Chinese cuisine. However, it has been known to help with skin. So it is actually found in a lot of K-beauty Korean skincare products. It helps soothe and soften irritated skin. It is a citrus fruit, so it does have some vitamin C in it, which again is going to have anti-aging properties, helping with elasticity and just kind of the growth of new healthy skin. It's also packed with antioxidants. Overall, I love this product. Clearly, well, I guess you can't really see it, but I'm about a little more than halfway done with this bottle. I actually got one friend hooked on this, and I would suggest it to anybody who would like to, maybe introduce a vitamin C serum to their skincare routine, because the potency of this is low, but you are gonna see results. They're not gonna be overnight results, but I have seen an actual change in my skin when I've been using this product. So if this is something you would like to try, I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link to this product in the video description below. Comment below. Have you used this product? Did you like it? Did you not like it? Have you found an alternative? Please let me know. If you found this video at any point in time helpful, I would greatly appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you would like to see me review more self-care products. This is Razor Anthem. I'm Jonathan, and I will see you next time.